Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I have been blow drying my hair these last couple months. I recently, well, not recently, in September actually, I purchased the Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. You guys, this is one of the best hair tools I've ever used. I will never go back to the traditional blow dryer just because I feel like this thing cuts the blow drying time to half. I have a lot of hair and it would take me forever to blow dry my hair. So this, I feel like I can get it done super quickly and I don't need to go in with a flat iron. I mean, you can, but it's not necessary because it does leave your hair silky smooth. It adds volume. You can flip your ends out. You can tuck them in if you want. And I feel like if you have a lot of hair, this will come in handy. And also if your hair is fine or thin, this will also work just as good and it'll give you that extra oomph, you know, that extra volume that you are probably looking for. Right now, this hair tool is on sale at Walmart in Canada anyways. I'm not sure if it's all the Walmarts. Here in Canada, it's on sale. I purchased it for $64 plus tax. But right now I saw that it's on sale for $54, I believe. If you guys want to see how this little guy works, then go ahead and please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and like this video as well. All right, let's get right into it. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is kind of damp. It's not fully dry. I do like to let my hair air dry a little bit. It's never good to blow dry your hair when it's, you know, soaking wet, because heat is not good for your hair. Once it's about 80 to 90% dry, that's when I would suggest going in and blow drying. I already added my heat protectant. I've just used the Tresemme heat protectant. I also added the Dream Big Volume Perfectly Full Thickening Cream. It plumps, lifts, and smooths your hair, and this is by Mark Anthony. Not the singer, the hairstylist. Ha ha ha, great joke. So I've already added all that to my hair, and as you can see, it's getting a little bit frizzy and I have a lot of hair. So you can imagine how long it takes me to blow dry my hair with like a regular blow dryer. So it, you plug it in, obviously. On the side here, it has these settings: an off setting, a cool setting, a low, and a high. I tend to use the high and sometimes I switch to low. I never really use the cooling option, but you can if you want. It's there if you do want to use it. This is pretty loud, so I am going to just mute the sound just because it is really loud, but I'll show you guys how loud it is. So this is the setting on low. That's low. And then this is high. So it is pretty loud and it does get pretty hot. I do end up getting, you know, a little bit sweaty. So that's when I do switch to the low setting if I feel like I'm getting too hot. I do like to section off my hair. Make sure your hair is brushed. Make sure there's no like tangles in it. I'm just gonna split it into two sections. Basically, I'm just going to put it under here, starting at my root, and just slide it down. And once I reach the bottom, you can, you know, turn it because it's rounded. It's very easy to just do this, or you can do it this way if you want your ends, you know, flipping outwards. It's pretty straightforward, and I'll just let you guys watch. So that's it. Like, this whole section is dry now. Did you guys see how easy that was? And another thing that I love about this is that you can just leave it under here for a couple seconds and kind of lift, and it'll give you that volume that you would get with like a round brush. But yeah, so I'll just let you guys watch pretty much. I don't really care too much about my bottom pieces. What I care about is around like the top section. That's where you're really going to build a lot of volume. So I like to have a little bit of volume like right up here. So that's where I'm going to start. Just want to make sure my hair isn't tangly. But I just grab a section like this and I'm just going to put it right under here, hold it there for a couple of seconds, and then just glide it down, and that's what's going to give me the volume at the top. Okay, so my hair is pretty much dry right now, but the last thing I like to do is I like to grab like this section right here and just pull it forward right here. You don't have to do this. I don't know why I do this, but I like to do it. I feel like it does something, like it gives me more volume. But I just always do this. I pull like a big section to the front and then I just like blow dry it. You'll see. And I usually wear my hair like off to the side a little bit, and I am done. And as you can see, like my hair is just nice and smooth. I feel like that didn't take long at all, and my arms don't feel like they're gonna fall off. And I have a lot of hair, as you guys can see, and I don't know, I just feel like it blow dries my hair in half the time that it used to, and I'm just in love with this. Like, it's amazing, and I definitely recommend it to you guys. I always like to share with you guys anytime I find something that works and is not, you know, overly overpriced, and I just feel like this is worth it. It's worth the 65 bucks. It just, yeah, I don't even have to flat iron my hair right now. I mean, I can if I want to get it even, you know, straighter, like if I want it pin straight, but for me, like, this is fine right now, and I just love the way my hair feels. It feels nice and smooth, and yeah, so that is how I have been blow drying my hair, and that's the hair tool that I've been using. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions about it, you can leave them down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.